Let's do this. Let's break it down. Somehow in the way I'm gonna have Ed put this up on the screen so you all can see it. Take a screenshot. Give me about 10 more minutes. I'm gonna get y'all up out of here. I'm trying to get straight to the point, straight to the meat, get y'all up out of here so y'all can go have a good day. Step by step, how to save $10,000 in 52 weeks. Weeks 1 through 4, I need you to save $50 a week. Okay? Watch this. Week 1, that's 50. Week 2, that's 50. That's 100. Week 3, that's 50. That's 150. Week 4, that's 200. Weeks 5 through 8, I need you to save $75 a week. Weeks 9 through 12, I need you to save $100 a week. Uh-oh, y'all starting to sweat. Y'all starting to sweat. Wait a minute, Anthony, wait a minute. We ain't done. Weeks 13 through 16, I need you to save $125 a week. Weeks 17 through 20, I need you to save $150 a week. Weeks 21 through 24, I need you to save $175 a week. Do y'all see where I'm going here? Weeks 25 through 28, I need you to save $200 a week. Weeks 29 through 32, I need you to save $225 a week. And week 33 through 36, I need you to save $250 a week. As you all can see, we're going up every single week, $25. 37 through 40, it's gonna be $275. Weeks 41 through 44, that's gonna be, you're gonna set aside $300 a week. Pause. Anthony, $300 a week? What are you talking about? I know. Stick with me. Weeks 45 through 48, $325 a week. 49 through 52, $350 a week. This gives you a grand total of $10,400. Yes, you will actually come up with an extra $400. And the beauty of the system is that it starts very small, then gradually builds as you discipline and income grows. It pushes you just enough without overwhelming you. Let me say this from again. I know the 52 rule is a push rule. It's going to stretch you rule. It's going to make you start looking at certain things. We're going to talk about that here in a little bit. This system is not about easy. It's about, here's a strategy, here's the system. You got to figure out, how do you work the system? And let me tell you, this plan doesn't just help you save money, but it motivates you to start earning more so you can hit your weekly goals. First week, 50. That should be easy. Let's be honest. Most people are stressed and stuck in the paycheck to paycheck cycle because they were never taught how money actually works. That is exactly why I built this channel. Every week, my team and I are breaking down how to master your money, how to get out of debt, save, invest, and build wealth without borrowing a dime. No fluff, no hype, just real money talk that actually helps you win financially. You see, because money impacts every aspect of our lives, our peace, our relationships, and even our future. If you don't take control of it, it will control you. And if you're tired of just surviving and you're ready to build wealth God's way, you're in the right place. Over 900,000 people have already subscribed to our YouTube channel with over millions of downloads on our Apple and Spotify podcasts. Now, when we hit 1 million on YouTube, we're giving away $30,000 to help you get out of debt and to start building legacy. So listen, don't just watch. Hit that subscribe, family. Join this community. Let's build real wealth. Let's build real financial freedom together. It's your boy. Hit that subscribe. Let's get back to the show. Whether that's picking up some freelance work, selling unused stuff, or cutting back temporarily, it all adds up. One of the things I want to recommend that you all do, hold on a minute, take my juice. I told you I'm drinking. I'm actually happy because I was just telling Ed, our video guy, I weighed in this morning and I'm down to 180 pounds. When I weighed in last week, I was at 182 pounds. but my muscle mass went up by 4 pounds and my body fat went down by 5 pounds, but my overall weight only went down by like a 1.5 pound. And I was talking to my coach and I was talking to Ed. I was like, yeah, man, your body is letting us know, but you know, you're light, but you heavy because of the muscles. And so I'm eating healthy, working out more, lifting more weight, and so I gotta stay on this thing. All right. So one of the things that I want to highly suggest that you do while you're on this 52-week rule, I want you to download our wealth tracker tool. All right. This is going to also help you stay on pace, help you see where your money is going, help you track it. Because I really want you to pause. I want you to pause. Go to anthonyoneal.com/store, and you'll be able to buy the wealth tracker tool. It's like $9-10. It's not a lot. It's not a lot of money, but you got to do this so you can track it, right? But I want you to pause and think about it. As a matter of fact, we're going to put up a 10-second timer right now. Let's put up a 10-second timer. I want you to think about, how would you feel this time next year, have a full checking account, but then you also have an extra $10,000 that's sitting inside of your savings account that you're not spending every month. It's just growing compound interest because you have it parked inside of a high yield savings account like SoFi. I want you to answer that question right now. 10-second timer up right now. And if you answered that, put it inside the comment section if you're watching this on YouTube. If you're watching this live, put it inside the chat. How would you feel knowing that you got 10 racks, $10,000 sitting inside the savings? Would you go back to that job that's treating you like crap? Would you start that business? How would you feel? How would you feel? What's going on, family? I want to thank my friends over at Dobbly for sponsoring today's show. You see, with rising rent, inflation, and high interest rates, your credit score matters more than ever. Whether you are trying to buy a home or just qualify for an apartment, it all starts, honestly, with having good credit. You see, this is where my friends at Dobbly AI comes in. Watch this. It's a 100% free app that helps you build, fix, monitor, and even protect your credit with no confusion and no stress. Just smart AI-powered support that works 100% consumer debt-free. Dobbly AI helps you build credit fast, helps you fix errors quickly, and stay protected with weekly updates, real-time alerts, and here's the best part about it, a $1 million ID theft insurance policy. Here's what I love about Dobbly. On average, users are seeing about 34 points go up when it comes to their credit report. No credit card required, and premium members average an 82-point boost on their credit score. The better your score, the more you save, and the more you get approved. Listen, I need you to go check out my friends over at anthonyoneal.com/Dobbly. Again, that is anthonyoneal.com, DOVLY. If you're tired of hearing no because of your credit scores, it's time to take control with my friends. Go check them out right now, and let's get back to today's show. Now, one of the most crucial things about this, if we're going to get why $10,000 is such a game changer, because it builds speeds. You want to speed up the process? Let me tell you, throughout these 52 weeks, you need to put your money inside of a high yield savings account. This is going to build speed. This is going to get you to your $10,000 even quicker, because I'm going to teach you how to get free money within these 52 weeks. Put your money inside of a high yield savings account like SoFi. You see, because as your balance grows, so does your interest. That means your money is working for you, even while you're asleep. Every single day, every single week, every single month. When you put that first $500 in there at SoFi, they're giving you 4%. When you get to 1,000, they're giving you 4%. When you get to 2,000, they're giving you 4%. When you get to $2,100, they're giving you 4% or $2,100. This is not a get rich quick trick. It's a wealth stream. So again, I personally use SoFi. It's easy to use and it pays you solid interest. All you gotta do is go to anthonyoneal.com/SoFi. Again, that is anthonyoneal.com/SoFi. And they're gonna not only just give you 4% interest, but they're gonna give you a $300 bonus just for signing up. Let me say this one more time. The goal is $10,000, okay? $10,000. Now, if you really do the math, you're only gonna have to put in close to about $9,000 of your money, because if you open up a SoFi account and you do a direct deposit, they're gonna give you $300. So now we're down to $9,700. As you're putting money in there and as you're growing, you're gonna get $700 over this year in interest, free money. So now I just gave you $1,000 in free money. Now you got $9,000 you had to put in. You got an extra $1,000. Now watch what happens when you get done. You had $10,400. Now you're getting 4% every month on $10,400. Now again, this is not a get rich quick scheme, but let's just do the math. If you got $10,000, $10,400 times that by 4%, that means every single month you're getting $416. Free money. Do the math yourself. $10,400 times 4% is $416 every single month.